Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Redshift for analytics dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Amazon Redshift for analytics dashboards, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the console, navigate to the Redshift service from the Services menu. Click on the Create Cluster button to initiate the creation of a new Redshift cluster. Fill in the required details in the Cluster Details section. Choose a unique name for your cluster, which will help you identify it later. Select the node type based on your analytical needs and expected workload. Determine how many nodes you require for your cluster. Next, move to the Database Configurations section. Set the database name, master username, and password for accessing your Redshift database. In the Cluster Permissions section, ensure you attach the appropriate IAM roles to allow Redshift to access the necessary data sources. Review and adjust the network settings, including VPC and security group configurations. Make sure to enable public accessibility if you need to access your cluster from outside your VPC. Click the Create Cluster button to launch your new Redshift cluster. Once the cluster is created, note the endpoint provided as you will need it to connect your analytics dashboard. In your Analytics tool, locate the connection settings to configure a new database connection. Enter the cluster endpoint, port number, and database name in the connection configuration. Provide the master username and password you created earlier. Test the connection to ensure that it is successful. Once confirmed, save the connection settings. Now you can start building analytics dashboards using the data stored in your Redshift cluster. Begin by importing and querying data from your Redshift database into your analytics tool. Create visualizations and dashboards as per your analytical requirements. Monitor cluster performance and adjust settings if necessary based on usage and data processing needs. Regularly back up your data and manage storage to optimize performance. With your Amazon Redshift cluster activated, you are now ready to leverage powerful analytics capabilities for your dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.